Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share to you all the Powell and many of his hidden colleges. So before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Powell and many of his field colleges have been caught out this year's making policy commitments based on data, particularly on inflation that has surprised them in negative ways and forced them to adjust on the fly. The Fed says offered little specific guidance about what to accept next. A fact that puts a heavy focus on 2 months of upcoming data. The Fed usually 6 weeks interlude between policy meetings is 8 weeks this time, providing what Powell called quite a lot of data. 2 digits including July and August inflation readings that will either show evidence of slowing price increases or not. Restoring price stability is just something we have got to do Powell side. There isn't an option to file. When measured by the Fed preferred gauge, inflation is running at more than 3 times the central bank's 2% target. Fed officials are actually aware of the hardships that inflation imposes on American households, particularly for those with limited means. Powell side, and they will not relent in their effort until presented with compelling evidence that inflation is coming down. While jobs gains have remained robust, officials noted in the new policy statement that recent indicators of spending and production have softened, a nod to the fact that the aggressive rate hikes they have put in place since March are beginning to beat data dependent. New data due to be released on Friday will show to what extent growth slowed in the second quarter. Powell said some of the impact of Fed rate increases to data is still building in the economy, and depending on how inflation responds in coming months, that could allow the central bank to begin to slow the pace of rate increases. The policy rate is not at the level most Fed officials feel has a natural economic impact, in effect marking the end of pandemic era efforts to encourage household and business spending with cheap money. The rate also matches the high point of the central bank's previous tightening cycle from late 2015 to late 2018, a level reached this time in the span of just 4 months. Investors expect the Fed to raise its policy rate by at least half a percentage point at its September 20 and 21 meeting. So I think enough. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.